This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders. I'm Scott Norse here with your Forex Report. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, 2008. Well, the market never really seemed to wake up today. The dollar was able to gain a bit of strength throughout the majors. We certainly weren't counting on a great day for the buck after the currency lost its footing yesterday afternoon and closed on a sour note. However, after a rather flat start to the overnight session, dollar bulls took control. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke spoke early this morning at a mortgage market forum, giving a little boost to the buck and stocks. The Fed Chairman said the central bank may extend emergency loans to help continue the easing of credit markets. He did not mention the economic outlook or monetary policy, but is expected to do so on Thursday morning on Capitol Hill. Meanwhile, Fed rate hike expectations are fading, but perhaps not fast enough. Futures still show a 74% chance of at least one hike by December, and we just aren't that confident. Pending home sales for last month were reported at 10 a.m., indicating yet another decline in the pace of home sales. This comes at no surprise to anyone and had very little effect on the dollar. In fact, the dollar traded higher just minutes after the news. On the technical front, we can't offer much more insight than we could 24 hours ago. The daily charts continue to offer little more than head fakes in many pairs, leaving us mostly active trading opportunities based on the intraday charts. Today, the charts are pointing to a stronger dollar overnight, but not before some key resistance levels are taken out. Many of the majors are trading in close proximity to levels that will be difficult for the greenback to hurdle. Many of these levels are most clearly seen on the daily charts, something traders must keep in mind when working with lower time frames to trade actively. The European currencies appear the most vulnerable of the bunch, despite a sizable drop in oil and other commodities today. Perhaps the commodity currencies will play catch-up overnight and trade further to the downside. The most important news and events are still ahead in the final 3 days, and we expect the market to pick up the pace as a result. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.